Having created and named your sections, the next step in the Mobile Form Wizard process is to add objects from your form into those sections. Simply drag objects from the central canvas into the individual sections in the right-hand Properties panel. If you position an object in the wrong place, just drag it into the right one. Select an object in a section and it will be highlighted along with its borders in orange. To remove the object from the section, click on the Delete button shown on the right. To change the borders of an object, use a mouse right-click action and the border menu will appear. Choose your preferred border option or use the alternative method to remove the item from the section. Do of course remember to complete this process for each section on each page of your form.